Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can essentially animate your text on Google Slides. I'm just gonna sorry, I'm just going to copy and paste this. There we go. Okay, so select your text, and basically you're going to select this bit right here, these three dots, and then select animate. And here you can select the slide transition, and this is the object animations. I'm just going to select this. You can select the appear on click or appear after previous or with previous. And here are all the kind of animations that you can choose. You have spin, fly in from left. I'm just going to select fly in from left. And then I'm just going to play it to test it out. So if I clicked it, oh, okay, it's fast, so I have to turn down the animation. So if I play it and click it, it's gonna fly in from left. Let me delete that first. Okay, I'm going to also select by paragraph, and then I'm just going to select the spin one, and let's try that. And if I clicked on it, it's going to spin. If you want, you can select with previous or after previous, and it will just fly in or spin when the slide is like on, I think. I don't know why the fly in isn't working for me. Let's try the spin again. And as you can see, it played once the slide appeared. And here you can add in this one as well if you'd like to, or you can add another one. So here you can add another one, or you can even delete the first one. Let me see, with previous, I'm just going to select zoom in, for instance. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!